Hi viewers, welcome back on Heart Touching Lines. Hope so that you are the member of Heart Touching Lines. You have subscribed this channel. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, so never forget to subscribe Heart Touching Lines. In life circles, there is a positivity and negativity, but it depends on a person which impact he or she gives. You just listen. If you have a glass of water and you will crash with someone, what will out from your glass? Obviously, you have in your glass water, it will out. Whatever you have, it will out from the glass. Positive thinking in an optimistic way, looking for solution, expecting good results and success, and focusing and making life happier. It is a happy and worry-free state of mind which looks at the bright side of life. Positive thinking helps with the stress management and can even improve your health. Positive thinking doesn't mean that you keep your head in the sand and ignore the life less pleasant situation. Positive thinking just means that you approach unpleasant in more positive and productive way. You think the best is going to happen, not the worst. Positive thinking often starts with self-talk. Talk is the endless stream of the unspoken thought that runs through your head. These automatic thoughts can be positive and negative. Some of your self-talk comes from logic and reason. Other self-talk comes from logic and reason. After self-talk may arise from my misconceptions that create because of the lack of information. Research continue to explore the effect and positive thinking and optimism health. Increase lifespan. In this way, it will help to you, and it's difficult to make the situation of life negative. So be positive and think like a positive. Lower state of depression is really helpful. Lower level of distress, greater resistance to the common cold, better physiological and psychological well-being. Not sure if your self-talk is positive or negative. Some common prompts of your negative self-talk include to magnify a negative aspect of a situation and filter out all of the positive ones. Once something bad occurs, you automatically blame yourself. You see things only as either good or bad. There is no middle ground. You feel that you have to be perfect or your total feature. Don't say anything to yourself that wouldn't. There is a positive and negative thinking. Everything has two mirrors. It depends on you which mirror you are looking. I have never do it before. Suppose there is a situation, you put to yourself in a situation and it's difficult to do something and you are saying that I have never done it before. You can also do this. You can also say this. It's an opportunity to learn something new. Wow, it's too complicated. I will tackle it from a different angle. I don't have the resources. Necessity is the mother of invention. I'm too lazy to get this done. I was not able to fit in it my schedule. There's no way it will work. I can try to make it work. So be positive and look the things by positive angle. Thank you so much.